Apple's latest MacBook Pro with the M3 chip is finally here, but is it truly a performance beast or just another incremental upgrade? In this video, I'll unbox, test real-world performance, and see if it's worth your money. Let's dive in. First up, let's unbox this beauty. Apple's packaging is as premium as ever. Inside, we've got the MacBook Pro M3, a MagSafe charger, and of course, Apple stickers. No surprises here, but let's take a closer look. Design-wise, the MacBook Pro M3 keeps the same iconic aluminum build. It feels solid, premium, and lightweight. We still get the Magic Keyboard and the huge trackpad, which are some of the best in the industry. Oh, and MagSafe is back, which is always a win. The display, absolutely stunning. It's a 14-inch or 16-inch Liquid Retina XDR panel with HDR, deep blacks, and buttery smooth 120Hz promotion. Whether you're editing, gaming, or watching Netflix, this screen delivers. Speakers, loud and immersive. Apple's spatial audio tech makes it one of the best-sounding laptops on the market. Alright, time for the real test performance. This M3 chip boasts an 8-core CPU, 10-core GPU, and up to 24 GB unified memory. But how does it handle real tasks? Running Geekbench, we see a significant performance boost over M1 and a slight edge over M2. Final Cut Pro exports are 30% faster, and gaming? Yes, this MacBook can actually game. Battery life, incredible. Apple claims up to 22 hours, and in my tests I got around 18 hours with normal usage. The M3 chip is crazy efficient. Thermals, cool and quiet. Even under load, the fans rarely kick in, keeping the MacBook comfortably warm, not hot. So, how does it compare to older models? If you're on an M1, this is a huge jump. Faster CPU, better GPU, and longer battery life. But if you're on M2, the difference is less noticeable unless you need top-tier performance. So, is the MacBook Pro M3 a performance beast? Absolutely. It's got top-tier power, insane battery life, and a gorgeous display. But should you upgrade? Upgrade if you have an M1 or Intel MacBook. You need serious performance for work. Skip if you already have M2 and don't need a small speed boost. Let me know in the comments. Are you getting the M3 MacBook Pro? And if you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.